Around Town has grown so much over the past few years, we needed a space to call our own in the Boston 25 studio. CC Woodcrafters of New England came in, they were up for the challenge, and today is the big reveal of our new set. After our initial meeting and consult, the design team went to work on our collective vision and then to woodwork. Eventually we'll be sitting here with a completely different background, which is going to be fantastic. Not that I don't like green, it's actually my favorite color, but this doesn't look so good.
We're going to change that.
And here we are with that beautiful new set and background. Charlie and Cheryl, you have not seen it staged. We must be proud.
We are.
Super proud.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean,
great.
we love it. This is the first time we've seen it complete, and I think it's amazing.
The vision that you had, and you see it come full circle. What is that like, knowing that everyone in your business, because you really are like a family business, that everyone took part in it and everyone played a role? I even played a role.
Yeah,
Absolutely. Yeah, it's, you put it on paper, and it's two-dimensional, and then as you see it, even I have a hard time sometimes when it's being built. I mean, I know what it's going to look like, but the bits and pieces, and then when it comes together, every time I'm amazed.
I really enjoyed the day I got to come out to the workshop and help out, and this is what I built.
That's correct. We loved having you, and you assembled and drilled the holes. This is your cabinet, Michelle.
It is very fulfilling to see the final product. Thank you.
Awesome.
But every time I stand in front of the fireplace, I'll know that I built this.
That is your cabinet.
Number 15, lucky number 15. Cheryl, what are your thoughts about how the whole process has gone?
Yeah, same thing. I would reiterate what Charlie said. I mean, you see it on paper, and we talk through it, and then we put it in the computer, and it's always bigger than when I see it in person. It's always just so much more impressive than, and we kind of look at each other like, we did this.
We cannot thank you enough for giving Around Town a home.
Oh, you are
thank
so
you.
welcome.
Yeah.
Honored to do it.
If you'd like to reach CC Woodcrafters of New England for your next project, visit ccwoodcraftersne.com.